Hey, so today I'm going to varnish all of these plywood boards for my roof. I'm using like yacht varnish, which is the first layer is watered down with white spirit. So hopefully this should protect it from water damage in the future. So yeah. So today the plywood boards are going on the roof, all being well. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy and it's not set to rain. So hopefully we can just get it on in one kind of quick act, and then so that's done hopefully. So, as you can see from that footage, it did cut out halfway through. And what we were trying to do in that process was the third board was not lining up and it wasn't square with the roof and the rest of the boards. So my boss was trying to pull it one way whilst I quickly screwed in on the corner, and then once that was square, we were able to get the last two boards, and so it's 5 boards covering the roof in total. And I think the other footage that was missed was we put it's called building paper. And it's got like waxy layer on one side, so it's like an extra layer of waterproofing, so to speak, and then there's the rest of the house wrap to go on. So yeah. so I thought I'd make a quick little video to recap what I just did. So we got the ply boards on, got some building paper on top of that, and then got the rest of the house wrap on top of that, so it should be close enough to water tight-ish. I've ordered some corrugated sheeting metal, and that's going to come in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm very excited, and it's just so nice to see the house coming along in small chunks. Hey, konnichiwa. I never know how to start these videos, but yeah, I'm going to roll with that. So yeah, I'm currently looking at buying a stove. It's going to be a multi-burning stove, just to make it easier. And I've found one called a Hobbit stove. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy this. So here is my lovely desktop, and I've decided to buy a Hobbit SE stove. But what is cool about these, well, I guess cool about these is that you can customize the colour completely and add these add-ons. So I think I'm going to get some coal bars, a back boiler, because I would love to be able to heat my shower using this, and I'm going to get the stainless steel cooking top. And you can alter the body colour, you can get the door customised, and the bottom door, and then the little intake flow wheel. I wonder if I could go out there and get a green bodied one and a brown, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the stove I'm looking at getting. Somewhere I saw that there was like a 10-week waiting time, so hence why I'm going to order one now. And at the end of my tiny house journey, I will make the initial build prices and things like that, and then obviously once I move on to land and so on, I will make a list of how much it costs to make things.